In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for plans in Stack. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and efficient. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Stack login page. This is the home page where all the magic begins and where you can access all of your important projects. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. One of the most convenient ways to do this is by selecting the Login with Google option. This method is quick and ensures that your credentials are securely managed through your Google account. It helps streamline the login process and gets you into the application with minimal hassle. After you've successfully logged in, the next step is to head over to your project. You'll find this by clicking on the Projects tab. This tab is essentially your workspace dashboard, listing all the projects you have access to. It's like a control center, giving you an overview of everything that's important. Simply click on the project you're looking to work with and it will open up the relevant details. Once you're inside your project, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here you'll find the Plans and Takeoffs option. Clicking this will expand your options and get you closer to the plans you need to access. It's a crucial step because this is where your project plans are organized, ready for you to review and interact with. Following this, you'll want to select Plans from the available menu. At this point, you're getting to the heart of the content, where all your project plans reside. Selecting this will present you with all the plans associated with your current project. To efficiently locate a specific plan, we'll utilize the search functionality. In the search bar that you'll see at the top of the plans page, type any relevant keywords related to the plan you're trying to find. Keywords are like the magic words. They help filter through the vast amount of information and zoom in on what you need. Once you've entered your keywords, hit the search button. This action triggers a quick search through your plans to find the matches that align with your keywords. The results will populate below, and you'll be able to see and select from the tailored list that matches your search criteria. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you can efficiently search and find plans within Stack, making your workflow smoother and more manageable. Thank you for following along, and remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.